Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to unbox the November 2025 Beauty Heroes box, and I'm also going to show you the most recent limited edition makeup discovery that Beauty Heroes had. I have these two boxes here, and it's funny because I actually don't know which is I think this is probably the Beauty Heroes subscription box based on the size, and this is probably the beauty one. So let's see. It is November 13th, so this is really late for me, like halfway through the month. But this is when I'm finally getting a chance to sit down and do it, so I apologize for the delay. I did see a spoiler that I believe it's Activist Manuka, which is a brand that they've done before in the past that I think I've received one time, but I don't know what either of the products are. I did use their mask before. It was a honey mask, and I'm like hoping it's not that and it's new packaging, because I didn't really love slathering honey on my face. My hair would fall inevitably from my ponytail, would get stuck in it, it was just, I felt like not a great experience. I'm hoping that they didn't give the new one in here with the new packaging. I did like the serum they had, and I think they had like a honey that I used in food, so that would be cool. So let's unbox it. Ooh, all these little like paper things flew out. All right, let's see here. I saw this first and I was like, wow, they're giving so many things. And I was like, that's crazy, that's way too many. All right, so this is what the box looks like when we open it. Ugh, the Manuka honey mask is one of them. This one's, all right. I was really happy when I finished it and not excited to see it again. Okay, here we go. The mask. And we have a green botanical body oil, which I will probably really enjoy. I use a body oil every time I get out of the shower, so that will be great. And this was the green botanical serum, I think, that was featured in a previous one, and I like that a lot. I think that was theirs from a while ago. Okay, so we have Discover Activist, and it is $150 value, and it's the green botanical body oil and the Manuka honey mask, 850 plus MGO. It says, few natural ingredients inspire as much reverence as honey, a timeless healer with the power to nourish inside and out. Manuka is honey's most powerful form, and Activist harvests only the purest, most environmentally sensitive nectar. Born from New Zealand's pristine landscapes, Activist honors this rare wonder with creations that fortify and rejuvenate both skin and well-being. This month, you'll experience two of their most extraordinary creations, formulas that calm, restore, and replenish through the proven strength of Manuka's bioactive compounds. Consider this curation an invitation to savor Manuka in its highest form and to experience the difference Activist delivers. All right, let's look at the green botanical body oil. This is what the box looks like. It's 100 milliliters and it's $75. That is an expensive body oil. Right now I'm using a body oil, it's like a year or two old. I hadn't opened it before, from Rachel's Plan B. B-E-E at the end, I think. Yeah, I think it has the letter, I don't know actually. Well, anyways, the brand is called Rachel's Plan B. And it's a very nice body oil, and it has lasted very long. So this is the green botanical body oil. Few ingredients feel as rare and vital as the verdant botanicals drawn from New Zealand's land and sea, and Activist has captured their essence in this omega-rich body oil. Fast absorbing, yet deeply restorative, the formula replenishes vital nutrients, smooths roughness, and calms irritation while strengthening the skin's natural barrier. The silky texture leaves skin supple and luminous, never heavy, while the fresh green aroma of Manuka tree, mandarin, tomato leaf, and fir balsam transforms daily care into a sensorial ritual. The result is skin renewed, comforted, strengthened, and enveloped in vibrant nourishment. The main ingredients are raw Manuka oil, which is antimicrobial, cleansing, and tonifying. Kawa, deeply soothing, relieves irritation, and is good for eczema, which one of my twins might have eczema. It seems to pop up, go away completely in the warm weather, and pop up now as the air gets drier. Blue tansy calms the feeling of inflammation, soothes sun-exposed skin, and wild algae strengthens barrier, promotes the appearance of collagen and plumpness. It certainly looks, I don't know, I mean, I guess it looks fancy. I just guess it's fancy because I know it is. I just want to do a little pump on my hand. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, it did say fir balsam. Fresh green aroma of manuka tree, mandarin, tomato leaf, and fir balsam. Yeah, at first scent, it kind of smells like Christmas. Yay. I'm actually like putting up Christmas decorations today. A little early, but so I'm feeling it's kind of making me feel like Christmas a little. So this will be nice. This is probably a good one to use in the winter. I don't see this being like, for me, an ideal scent for summer, but it's nice. It also smells like, I would describe it as like a unisex scent, where I think a man could wear this and it doesn't smell feminine to me. Okay. Manuka Honey Mask, 80 milliliters, $75. Activist's most coveted creation and celebrated hero product. This is skincare at its most elemental and effective. Harvested from bees who pollinate the native Manuka bush in New Zealand, this raw, nutrient-dense honey boasts exceptionally high concentrations of methyl glyoxyl, MGO, lending powerful antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and barrier-repairing benefits. Used as a mask, cleanser, or spot treatment, it draws moisture deep into the skin, calms irritation, reduces breakouts, and accelerates healing, leaving the complexion soothed, luminous, and resilient. Revered for centuries and validated by modern science, this mask embodies the activist difference: unadulterated purity, unparalleled potency, and a deep respect for nature. The top ingredients are Manuka honey 850 plus MGO, which is antibacterial, acne supporting, and clarifying. Natural enzymes gently exfoliate, brighten the appearance, and refine. And bioactive nutrients strengthens the skin's microbiome, soothes sensations of sensitivity, and draw in moisture. Well, it's funny, I actually have like a few zits on the side of my nose. It's like bumpy and stuff right now, which I haven't had like a breakout. I haven't had a zit in like so long. I was like, oh, right. So, hey, maybe I'll pop some on there today and like see if it helps. Okay, so it says Manuka Honey Mask is an exfoliating, hydrating, regenerative treatment that liberates skin from the appearance of dryness, inflammation, scarring, and fatigue. Apply to clean, damp skin. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use as a daily cleanser by applying a small amount to damp skin and massage in circular motions before rinsing. Use as a spot treatment, suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive and blemish-prone skin. 12 months. It's funny. I thought that they like fixed up their packaging, but this looks very similar to the previous, and it just like would ooze out like uncontrollably, seemed like, and then the cap would get all sticky and everything, and then like, you know, dust and like hair and stuff would like stick to it. I just didn't love this delivery method. I don't know if this is newer, like different. It might be, it's definitely maybe like a smaller size or something. I don't know. Anyways, I am home today. So maybe after this, I have to wash the floors downstairs. It's been a while. And I already vacuumed them with my Dyson. So I already did the dry vacuum. Now I'm gonna mop them. And so maybe I'll like throw a face mask on before I mop, and then I'll be like distracted. Maybe I'll do that. That'd be a good idea. Anyways, so that is the November 2025 box. Activist Manuka, or I guess they go by Activist only now. So we got the green botanical body oil and the Manuka honey mask 850 plus MGO. Excited about the body oil. Not as excited about this, but I'll still use it. So we'll see. I would love to chat with you in the comments below as usual. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted when the next video comes out. I know that I have not been great with doing videos. Maybe I'll do better in 2026. I hope. But anyways, I would like to know what you guys think of this box and the products. If you used the mask before, if you have the same feeling as me, or if you're excited to get it again, or it's your first time, and if you've used many other Activist products. I haven't used much of them. Hi, I was filming and my phone notified me that it was full of storage and I couldn't videotape anymore. So I took this bag out of the box, and this is the fall 2025. Oh, I have to move the cap for a second. Fall 2025 limited edition makeup bag. So I just wanted to show you the contents of it. They give you a explanation of every product, which I think is really awesome. One of the things I most wanted was the Le Prunier Plum Screen, because I was looking to get a sunscreen with no no tint to it, which I think I mentioned earlier in the video. So I was comparing the prices of this alone, like would it be worth it to spend a little extra money for this, to get this, whatever. Anyway, so that is that. I've used this before and I liked it a lot. And it's a 31 SPF. I like the consistency. I liked the way it worked on my skin, the way it smelled, the feel of it, all of that. So that'll be great to have. Okay, I got another Talk Beauty mascara. This is the current mascara I'm using. I haven't been good with making sure I throw away my mascara every, I don't know if it's 3 months, 6 months. I do like 6 months, and I wear contacts, so it's important that I do that, especially with having like a lot of little kids at home that could bring home an eye thing. I think at least my husband had conjunctivitis at some point, and one of my kids have in the last year or two. Thankfully, I didn't get it, knock on wood. But sorry, my cat up there, Tommy, was just like, what was that sound? But anyways, I am going to, for January 1st, I'm going to start a new mascara, and I'm going to put an update on my phone to remind me at 6 months to throw away the mascara and have a new one. So that's good. The Talk mascara has been nice. And let's see. Cocoa Crayon, Eri Perez Brave. So this is like a lip crayon. I wanted to see how it was as almost like could you use it as a lipstick. I don't really line my lips. We're lucky if I put on like a lip product, but I thought it would be fun to try it as possibly just like a full lip product. Oh, it's very creamy. I like it, and it's a beautiful color for fall, winter. So that's really pretty. I thought it looked nice. I'm excited to use that. And then there's just 2 other products. Sorry, you can see like that fur on me. Yes, With Simplicity retractable brow pencil. Let me tell you what, I do not need a brow pencil. I need to find somebody who is looking for a brow pencil in deep brown. My mom, perhaps. I don't know if she dyes her. She gets her eyebrows dyed, so I'd have to ask her. Or I don't know if there's another product I could use this, or like another use I could use this for. I was almost thinking like eyeliner or something. I don't know. If you have an idea, let me know. That one was a product that I could like give or take. But, and then my last one that I was excited about was the Wonder Blush Le Rouge. This is Cassis. I have, I think it's like Petale color, and it's just, I love these. I had one 2 years ago or so that I lost. It must have fallen. I still hope it's going to turn up at some point, but I remember bringing it to a friend's backyard summer party, and then I never saw it again, and I don't know where it went. Maybe it'll show up, like I said. But she looked in her backyard for me and stuff, didn't find it, so I replaced it. And this is a darker color. So let's see how that compares. But these are like, I think they're very juicy. Oh, that's funny. Is it like, oh, I got it there too. They're very, this and the lip crayon look very almost identical. So that's interesting. I guess I could use lip crayon and this. But anyways, I like the little WB there. And the thing is nice. I just really have been happy with the one that I have. So I was excited to maybe get, this color would probably be best for fall, winter. And the one I have could be best for maybe spring and summer. Oh. Eva. I look so pale right now. I need some foundation. I need some makeup on right now. I look very like, ugh. But this lip product feels so nice and juicy and smooth. I really like it. So yeah. Anyways, so cute little bag, a nice few products, but it seemed like a way to get the sunscreen with no tint to it and a lip product I love, along with some other like bonuses like the mascara and the lip crayon and stuff. So I think I'll have fun with these. I haven't gotten one of these limited edition makeup bags in a long time, so I sat on it for a while, but then I decided that it felt worth it to me to get it. So yes. Yes, again, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I would love to chat with you in the comments below about either the November Beauty Heroes box or the limited edition makeup box, makeup bag. That would be great. Makeup discovery. All right. Have a great day, and I hope you are having a nice November, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.